This video is going to give you a close-up shot of my vibrato on long notes, on every finger, on every string, on fast notes, on every finger, on every string, and in multiple positions. Just because I realize I didn't show you that in the vibrato courses, and half of what we learn in vibrato is from absorbing, watching someone else's vibrato that's good. So I hope I will lay down a nice example for you. Let me just start with some slow notes, and I'm going to walk around so you can see every angle. So the thumb is dynamic. It is reciprocating in tiny ways. Some people say the thumb moves slightly depending on what finger you're vibrating. I don't agree with that. But if it works and if it gives you an amazing vibrato that doesn't impede with fast passages, then I'd say whatever works and whatever makes a beautiful vibrato. That's the problem, is there's lots of differing opinions and there's no one correct opinion. It's basically, when you get into advanced violin, You're kind of allowed to break the rules as long as it gives you a good result and doesn't cost you in other areas. So keep an open mind, listen to various sources, and then see what works best for you. And beware of the costs of making an exception to a rule, because there's usually a cost. Like moving your thumb could impede your intonation in fast sections, or it could disrupt the balance of your hand for different positions. Just different things could start popping up. So keep your eyes open and watch for those little costs. So I think I showed you fast notes, skippy notes, slurred notes, separate notes, long notes. I hope that that was a nice enough sample. Just in case, I'll give you more. You can turn the video off if you've had enough. Okay, here we go. Low one. Low one is challenging because you can knock on your peg. And in fact, my E peg is almost in the horizontal position, which makes it 5 millimeters closer to my shaking, and it's now in the way. I'm gonna turn this video off and change it to more of a vertical position. I'll have to rethread the string so that it's more in the position of my G peg, and then I'll have a lot more swinging room without knocking. Then again, the knocking kind of verifies it's a nice target to knock that peg, because it shows you that you're shaking your whole hand. Anyway, let me continue. Low one. Let me do a less energetic vibrato. That was slightly slower and slightly narrower. My first energetic vibrato is more of a soloist vibrato, and this is more of a fiddle vibrato, a waltz vibrato, orchestral vibrato for slow songs. Let's do some high stuff. Right, so you stuck with me. Good for you. I hope that helps. It can take a long time to work through all the bugs of vibrato. I hate to admit it. It's especially hard for adults because we have had more years of moving our bodies in certain ways and usually not in this way. So be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and congratulations to you for sticking with it and for having the desire. I respect that. Okay, enjoy these new exercises and I'll talk to you later.